Hello everyone, you are welcome to Joidala Fashion Guide. I am Joy Igudala G for short. Today I want to show you a practical demonstration of how you can convert your manual sewing machine to an electric sewing machine. You don't have money to buy the industrial machine or the electric machine, no problem. You have the manual sewing machine that uses this, no problem. Just lose this away with the help of a screwdriver, and then you get a pack of motor, sewing machine motor and controller. You can buy it on the market from those people that sell sewing machine. And in the box, you're going to find something like this. This is the foot pedal that you're going to connect to the source of power supply. And this is the electric motor. You're going to be using a screw to attach this to this place. Okay, and of course you need a screwdriver. The screw that you're going to be using comes with a pack, and then you have a fan belt. Okay, so to begin, you have to place the belt in its position. Just maybe a bit tight, but just be gentle. And just gradually slip it through like this. Okay, get it to its position. There's a place it's supposed to be where the regular belt passes through. Okay, and then get your motor. This is the part that you're going to attach to where the hole is. Okay, this will be behind the machine. It's going to be behind the machine like this. Sorry, I don't have a tripod yet. Okay, so before you start screwing, because when you finish screwing, you will not be able to place the belt. You have to position the belt in place first, and then you put in your screw, the bolts into the hole. Once you have gotten where the hole is, you can now use a screwdriver to tighten it. You have to tighten it such a way that the belt is tight, okay, so that it can move. So we are going to try it out. Remember, after fixing this, we need to plug in our source of power supply. So those parts, those 3-point parts, is what's going to go into here. Can you see that? Those parts. Okay. Can you see that? So you take it and you plug it in. Doesn't I just turn it. Plug it in. Place this on the floor. It's for your foot. And then I'm going to plug this to an extension box. I have an extension box here. Plug it in. So let's try it. If the connection is correct, you use your foot pedal. So welcome back. Sorry for that short break. You press your foot pedal. See? So that is how you convert your manual sewing machine to an electric sewing machine. Just place in your clothes, put in your clothes, and you begin to sew. So that is all for this video today. If you find this video helpful, please give me a huge thumbs up. Please share this video, like this video, and subscribe. See you in my next class. Thank you.